First of all, the people are super kind.
I've been to a country where the people are nicer.
Yeah.
They are so nice.
They're super kind. Like, everybody's just easy to deal with.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's just easy. I think that's the easiest way to put it.
When you could go to a place where you don't have to fear leaving the resort, that's where you want to be.
Yeah, everybody's just gonna wake up and say morning.
no concern for safety at all.
No.
As a female.
Yeah.
I mean, the way these people infuse the word believe in everything. I mean, you won't believe it. And
It's a Belizean day.
I mean, I said good. I mean, and everybody has it down to a T. I mean, I'm just like,
Be Belize.
I mean, they have such pride in this country, and that's what that says to me. There's a level of pride of the people that live here, and that means something, right? When you engage with people that love where they live in that way, so much so that they're like, look, we hope that you really do enjoy yourself here and tell other people to come here. Like, and that, to me, that says a lot about a place.